Because Ty a nice guy.
He is amazing.
What?
It's me right here.
Check me on my YouTube. I'm that nigga coming up. I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back. Tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop. Mess around and you can yeah, my niggas, we don't play.
This drill is more to get, you know, like your shot better. Like if you got a broken shot, you know, after this drill you're gonna be wetting them.
Let them know what jet that mean. Jet that, oh!
Way downtown, bang! Bang! Oh.
Wear your mask because this thing is coming from some animal and experiment and whatever they may do. Understand?
Time money! Yo, I just learned a fun fact today. I didn't know, not that I smoke or anything, but smoking weed is a blood thinner. Did you know that, bro?
Bro, that's some random shit. You don't know if that's true.
Oh yeah, so we gotta do some research, huh? We gotta do some research. But as of now, no. As of now, smoking weed is a blood thinner. Alright, you guys, so we at the park. You know, boy CNT is here.
Scully Tay, bro. Scully Tay with my man Ty Money.
Time money! See you, bro.
Ty Money.
Time money! Time
Scully
money.
Tay with my man Ty Money.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fadeaway king, bro.
The little Kobe shot. Time money!
Yeah, that shit is not working, bro. I say you like a 40% fadeaway shooter.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's not working today?
That's not bad, bro. 40% is not bad. For a fadeaway shooter, bro?
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I'm gonna try to do a double upload, bro.
What?
So, a double upload.
Today?
Yeah. You wanna do that shooting drill first?
What shooting drill?
Remember, like, from the layup, then you go to free throw, 3-point.
I love that shit.
You know me, bro, I love shooting. I'm gonna do a quick shooting drill real quick so I can just get a upload for you guys, you know? Trying to get back into the vlog spirit, man. Remember, I told y'all that.
Hell yeah, time money. Time money.
Yeah. So tutorial, this how the game works. You got to do a layup, then, you know, come to the little free throw line real quick. Do your little free throw. Bam. This drill is more to get, you know, like your shot better. Like if you got a broken shot, you know, after this drill you're gonna be wetting them. Yeah. Then, you know, a little 3-point shot. Boom, wet it. Hey. And after that, we're going a little circle over here. You know what I'm saying? Is he gonna make it though? Alright. After you make it into this circle, then you gotta move right here. And then half court. Then you gotta make all 3 of these, man. So hopefully we can get some good footage for you guys real quick. And we're gonna get this thing rolling, man. The whole point of the game is to make the half court. First one to make it wins.
Last week, it was all good. Watching wrestle, LeBron James.
I didn't want to leave you guys over there, you know, just watching, so we're finna get y'all into action real quick. Alright, so we both at the free throw line right now. Now remember, the first one to make it to the half court line and make it wins.
What are we calling this game, bro? Around the world?
Straight line.
Going to the next stage.
I'm going to the 3. We're still at half court, I mean free throw line, right?
Yeah. Oh, hold on, I ain't shoot my free throw, hold up. Oh, yes I did, I'm tripping.
Alright, so far, I'm ahead of this guy, so let's just keep it that way. Alright, he out of there.
Whoa, what happened?
Oh, shit,
Oh, I couldn't see him tripping. Shit. What's going on, bro? You're Ty Money.
Time money!
Oh, that's all. Oh my God.
Talking about me, bro. What you mean?
Yeah, this man is, bro, we're a little bit fried, YouTube. YouTube, we're a little bit fried.
What do you mean by that?
Alright.
Real quick.
YouTube. He made a shot. This is favorite game, bro. This is his favorite game, bro. Oh, show us son. Show us son. Oh my.
All I want to do is just shoot, man. I ain't with all that handling, bro. Even though I do got to work on it, though. Bro, you're not making anything, bro. You telling me all you can do is make a layup?
I don't know why, bro. I don't know what's going on. It's the wind, bro.
Do it all the time, right?
I'm officially trapped. Like, I don't know what's going on.
Get that in there. Ah!
This man sound like he rolled his ankle.
Okay.
It's about damn time.
Okay. That boy dressed in red like he your blood. Ain't nothing wrong with that though.
So whoop.
We still whooping around here. Wet? Oh no. Can't be.
I'm not affiliated with anybody.
So whoop till I die.
I'm affiliated with Get Money.
Shoot that thing, bro. Bro, you can't be dressed in red and can't shoot, bro.
What? Only for the coach?
I ain't none of that shit.
All he knows how to do is shoot, man.
Oh, you got the camera rolling? You know I be trying to thinking I'm Kobe and shit. Oh! See, bro, you gotta say Kobe. As soon as I said Kobe, you made that.
You're welcome.
Going the same spot as me? Alright, I'm gonna have to take these shots serious now. This boy in the same spot as me. I'm gonna have to start taking it serious now. This boy just in red too.
So whoop. I've been ballin' so damn hard, squad. Deep down I'm cold. Yo,
Why you think I started doing the happy dance, bro? I knew that shit was it. I look, you should have did the Steph Curry.
And it culminates with that guy. And he doesn't even look at it after he lets it go. Oh my.
You're not nice like that, bro. You're not nice like that.
I look, you should have turned around.
He on a half-court line. This is Boulder Park. This is technically NBA 3. Come on now.
This far, bro?
No, I fuck with you, bro.
This is the second to last step, man. You know, where my feet is. Right now, Ciante right here. And now I'm in this small circle. Seemed like the circle just keep getting smaller, but. And then I got one more step. So this is the final step. Woo! So let's make this, man. Let's get this shot going.
way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh!
Shit is cap, bro. Hey, I got a match though. I got a match.
He's good. He's good. I still got one more shot though. You know, this is gonna be the last shot. You feel me? He's still safe for now. For now.
All right. Oh shit. Broke squad.
All right. So as y'all can see, I'm 2 spots ahead of him. He right there.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. So he right here. He got to get past this line, and then he got to step to half court where the kings are at, the real kings. I mean, y'all been know that I've been at that strap, so this ain't nothing new.
Bro, I'm waiting for this game to be over. I'm trying to get to the real shit. The real buckets. The real bucket getters. Let's go, my boy. Eee. Oh, shit.
I felt good. Okay. Okay. Woo! It's a little bit more strength, bro.
Now I got it down packed. Put a little bit of power into the hole. Shit there. You're not from Miami. You don't know what that means. All Miami niggas go in the comments. Let them know what jet that means. Jet that.
Time money.
It's over, ladies and gentlemen.
Tell him, bro.
That's his favorite game, bro.
That's all I do, bro.
He dream about this shit.
I don't be doing all that handle
Time
stuff.
you could beat me. Let's go.
I don't be doing all that handle stuff, man. All that handle stuff ain't me. Who do I look like, Kyrie? What am I doing all that handle for? I'm Clay, bro.
Can you go deeper? Can you go deeper on that?
Ross is tough.
In the game, those 3 shots are ineffective, bro.
Yeah, it is.
You know what
But
I'm saying?
I just do it to work on my game. You know, because if I can hit from half court, bro, who's to say I can't hit from right here? Tell me, who's to say I can't hit from right here if I can hit from all the way over there? So I got the W in the shooting game. Oh shit, good shit, bro. But now, so since we're doing a double upload, you know, part 2 is coming. We're finna do a game. We haven't played in like 5 months. So
5 months? That's how long it was?
Yeah, that's what the videos say, 5 months.
Yeah.
So you know, a lot of things have changed.
That's a lot of viewed video. That's a good viewed video.
Yeah, it was a good viewed video. That was good 50 views, man.
Yeah, G shit, good.
That's a good 2 classrooms right there. So
50, yeah, that's
that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
That's 2 classrooms right there. So y'all stay tuned. Part 2 coming.
What can I say? Mamba out.